Hello. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca. If you haven't been here before, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. So today I'm going to be trying a hairstyle that I haven't done, probably since college. I'm going to be doing a quick weave, but I'm going to be doing a half up, half down look. I call it like the Beyonce look because she used to wear that look a lot. She kind of still does, but it was also one of my favorite looks in middle and high school. So I'm excited to try this and hope that it works. Now, I'm also testing out a new microphone today, so I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. Mic check 1 2 1 2. And if not, I can add subtitles, or if it's just horrible, you probably won't even see this video. So fingers crossed, we are hoping for the best. So I'm excited because this was a pretty cheap trip to the beauty supply today. So if everything works out, you can accomplish this look for around 40 bucks, which is not bad at all. So what I'm gonna be using today, I have some Organique Body Wave, 30 inches. Pretty cute hair, very cheap. It was like $10.99 a bag. I got 4 bags just to be safe because I was kind of like nervous that I wasn't gonna have enough hair. Probably will only use 3. Then also have a wig cap. It's about $1. Ooh. And some hair glue. So I also brought these wrapping strips. I'm gonna maybe use these for the ponytail. I'm not sure yet. It just depends how I do it, but these are about $1 as well. And then of course, just, whatever hair gel you use to slick your hair back. I'm gonna be using that on the ponytail and to get these edges laid. So I'm excited to get started. I'm not gonna bore you with every single step, but I'll let you know exactly what I'm doing. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the first step that I did was part my hair half up, half down, like so. And then I just did a couple braids. I think I did like 5 or 6 of them because this is actually all gonna go under the stocking cap. Now, I've seen people who can just stuff their own hair in the stocking cap, but I really wanted it to lay flat, so I just did a couple braids. It literally took me like 10 minutes. You could do flat twists, whatever, or you don't have to do the braids at all. You can just put it on the stocking cap, but I felt like this is how my hair was gonna get the most flat, so this is the route I went. So this is pretty flat. It's good. It's gonna be a good foundation for the quick weave. So I'm gonna take our stocking cap and put it on. Ooh. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna start the quick weave in the back. I'm gonna go all the way up to the part, and then I'm gonna cut this part of the stocking cap off. So I'll get going on that, show you kind of what I'm gonna be doing, and come back once I'm halfway there or so. Okay, so I've already got a couple of tracks going here, and I just wanted to show you guys how I laid my little foundation. So let me turn around. So as you can see, the first 2 tracks, I took from the bottom and I brought them all the way up. And the reason why I did that is because I didn't want to leave any hair out. So there's really no point because the ponytail is going to cover most of it, but I still wanted to make sure that they didn't see no tracks. So first 2 tracks, just kind of take it all the way up to the middle. And then what I'll do after that is I'll just kind of start stacking the tracks here till I get to the top. Okay, y'all, so I just finished the back. Let me turn around and show y'all. So I'm really excited because this hair is long, as you can see. So So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to attempt to cut this wig cap. It's been a minute, I haven't done it in a while, so I hope I do it right, but I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it, and then we're gonna get to work on the front. So let's do it. So once you get the back done, go ahead and put the front half of your hair up into a ponytail. I got it pretty slick. I'm not gonna worry about the edges until everything is done. So go ahead and braid your hair, because this is what we're gonna use to glue the rest of the hair to create the top ponytail. So I'll get started on that. So I've already kind of started. I'm just wrapping it around the base of my braid, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been fighting with this hair, but finally got it where I need it to go. So I'm just gonna continue with this part. So once you get to the end, just grab 1 or 2 bobby pins so that you can secure the hair. And once you get to this stopping point, you want to secure that with the bobby pin as well, if I can find one. So this is what we have so far, and I know I'm gonna love it. Hair is really long. I'm already feeling like Beyonce. So I'm not gonna lie, my ponytail is kind of leaning, but I'm not necessarily mad at it. I may just kind of rock it to the side, or even this side. We'll just have to see how I'm feeling. I'm gonna get dressed, and then I will just see how I feel. So I'll be back with the finished result in just a second.